Hey, what's up guys, it's Katie with 3D Printing Technology. So for today's episode, we're going to be using XTC-3D Epoxy. We're going to be trying it out on the Star Wars Death Trooper helmet that we've 3D printed. We're just going to see how it goes on this print, and then if it works well, probably include it in the helmet build video. So inside the box we have the XTC-3D brush on liquid coating for 3D printed parts. We also have, this is part B, mix ratio smooth on B, that's all it says. Now here we go. Brush on liquid coating. I'm assuming that's part A and that's part B. We also have a sponge type paintbrush. I've heard to switch these out for a regular paintbrush, but we'll see. We also have a popsicle stick. We have a measuring cup. And we have some data sheet and instructions. Okay, so I got the Death Trooper Star Wars Thingiverse helmet, which will test a portion of this out on a small spot, but like this big, just to see if it actually works, and if it does, we'll do the whole thing. Okay, so XTC, so this is called XTC-3D. It's a protective coating for smoothing and finishing 3D printed parts. It does not melt plastic. Two liquids are mixed together and brushed onto any 3D print. Coating self-levels and wets out uniformly without leaving brush strokes. Working time is 10 minutes and cure time is about 4 hours, depending on mass and temperature. XTC-3D cures to a hard, impact-resistant coating that can be sanded, primed, and painted. Adding colors and material effects is easy. So that's basically what it is. It says it's inexpensive to use, 9% time and labor savings. It can be applied to SLA, SLS, PLA, ABS, powder, and other printed parts. It has all the volume, material properties. It has a more in-depth instructions below, and also the backs, the data sheets. Also, trying out a new camera format. If you haven't noticed, I searched some of the settings around, so I'm going to be trying that for a few videos, see how it goes, and if it works, we'll keep it. So right now this is the new format, and this is the old format. Okay, so that's how we're going to try to use it in this mixing cup. The instructions say not to use a foam or glass, I guess because it generates heat of some sort. Also, the working time is 10 minutes, so I don't have long to play around with it. So I just got done shaking this container part B. It's going to be a very small amount to begin with, because it says it's used in a well ventilated area. So it's really thick. So it's a big good for now with that one. I guess that's good, so I'm gonna mix it up. Avoid getting this on your hands or anything like that. A little bit more into it. Mix it. I'm going to set this off to the side and get the foam brush. So now I'm going to put a little bit onto the brush and then put some onto the print. So right now I can't really tell much what's going on. So I'm going to use up all of this pre-mixed one I made. I hope it works out in the morning. It's like it's maybe melting through the hot glue a little bit. Looks like this top one, this is not glued to any. Don't have much left in the cup. This is probably going to be the last coating. We get all of it off the brush. So this part right here is the one that's coated. This part hasn't been coated. So we're gonna let this dry overnight. I think work time's 10 minutes and cure time's 4 hours. So I'm gonna let this sit out overnight and I'll show you what it looks like in the morning. So that should be plenty of time for it to cure. Okay, so here's the first attempt. I've let it dried overnight. And this is how that did last night. So it looks smooth. It's not as smooth as the fine grit sandpaper side is, but I can sand over this. It also looks more shiny, which I think is good. The only part I'm not really satisfied with right now is the glue part, but maybe it's because it wasn't a thick enough layer that I put onto it. So I'm going to try a second layer on it and see how it turns out. Okay, so the second layer is applied. Gonna let this dry for a little bit and then check it again. Alright, so the helmet has had time to cure. So here is how it looks now. So the bottom's already shiny, the top's shiny too. Sit down. I'll get a better view of it. So it's kind of smooth still. So you can see where it's stripped a little bit, trying to level. But right here it seems pretty smooth. Yeah, so it seems smoother than it was. But this was a good spot, I suppose. Smooth right here too. Right here is a kind of uneven area because it's so thick. I think I could probably get back over it right here because there wasn't any epoxy applied right here to it. But here's the area that I had the most concern about. So right here it's really smooth and fresh. Then it starts getting a little bit more uneven right here. So I think I put another coat in just this area right here. It should smooth it out. So overall I think it worked pretty good. I still need to wait for this final coat to really get cured before I can decide on it. So it's had enough time to cure, but it's still a little bit sticky from curing because it's not cured overnight like the last coat did. But I think the seams are really smooth. This problem area right here will probably be fixed in one more coat in just this one area. And after it cures really well, if it's not smooth enough, I can probably use this 400 sandpaper and get back over and give it an extra smooth finish. Maybe paint it too if I need to. Like these areas right here. But overall I think this is a good product for the 3D prints. I'm probably going to let this cure overnight and then put a third coat in this area and then start going over the rest of the helmet. And after it all cures and such, maybe use the 2000 not 400 sandpaper to give an extra smooth finish. And if it's not black enough, the color of the helmet, paint it, then put some gloss on it, maybe smooth it again. But that's for this helmet's build video, which is coming soon, as you can tell. So that's going to wrap up this video on the XTC-3D Epoxy. Let me know in the comments down below if you have anything you want us to try 3D printing technology. We may look into it. And stay tuned for the Star Wars video coming out soon. But if you like this video or want to see the latest videos first, make sure you click subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.